Hey folks, for the next video in our series, we're going to talk about identifying major scales that are written. So let's go down to the bass clef, just so that we're not doing every example in treble clef, and let's write from so we've got from B to B here, and let's see. Okay, so when we look at this scale, we have from B to B, and we do have some sharps, and we know that the key of B major has some sharps in it. One of the first places that you can go to determine whether or not it's going to be a major scale, a good starting point is to look at the first three pitches. Now, is this always true? There are different types of scales that might start out like this, but for our final exam, where we're determining whether or not this is a major scale, this is going to be a good step to take. So we can look at the whole steps and half steps present here. So from B to C sharp is a whole step, but then from C sharp to D, we have a half step. So we know for sure this is not going to be a major scale. So we know it is some other type of scale. In our case, for the purposes of this class, we know it's going to be one of three types of minor scales. We would then just go through some steps to figure out which one of the three minor scales it is. But looking at the first three pitches of your scale is going to help you to know whether or not this is a major or a minor scale. Because again, on our test, our final, the major scale is the only one that's going to have do, re, mi with a normal raised third scale degree. And this scale doesn't have one, so we know for sure that it is not a major scale. Hopefully that helps.